the DEWALT 1/2-inch impactor with an anvil. I mean, this thing is hardcore. I work on cars and I have breaker bars, I have extensions into breaker bars, and at some point it gets old. I've broken breaker bars, I have bent breaker bars, because you'll find certain nuts that are just beyond, you know, negotiating with. So I just ordered this guy in. For the price that it came in, I really like what you get. So out of the box, this is what we're looking at. We have a nice little bag, just compacts very neatly. Along with the bag, because it's not just the bag you're getting, we open that up. We get, first of all, a charger. We get a nice 5 amp hour battery. And of course, the prince of the show, the 1/2-inch impactor. And it's even ready to go. That's lovely. If we look at the impactor, you know, just as first impressions, we have different settings for the lights. Really bright. And we also have medium light, really bright, and that's it. You have a little button here where you can flash through and pick out what speed you want. So this is going to be the hardest impactor. First speed, second, third. So depending upon how much torque you want to be applying, whether you're fastening or loosening, you have some selections there. And on the back of our battery, we also have a little battery status. So if I hit that, right now I just have 1 bar lighting up. Again, it just came in the mail, I'm not expecting much, but it also tells you how much juice it has. Looking forward to using this. Going to report back to you on how it actually performs, though all my other DEWALT tools, they've been living and living. I haven't killed a single one yet. I think my oldest is my little itty bitty impactor, and that one's like 6 years running. So I have big plans and very optimistic about this guy and how it's going to help me with my car repairs.